Hurry up. Get it. All right, Katie, you better hurry up. You better learn how to swim with them back feet. Pedal them back legs. You're trying to keep your head too high out of the air. Yeah, tell her, Brandy. Show her how to do it. Yeah. Bring it in, Brandy. All right, Katie, here. Bring it here. Bring it here, Katie. Shake it off. Good girl. Now pick it up, bring it here. No, not this big one, the little one. Bring it here. Katie. Bring it here. Well, just a minute, Brandy, and I'll throw it. Katie, get me the stick then. Somebody get the stick. Get the stick. Pick it up, Brandy. Take it from her. Bring it here. No, I don't want that big one. No, go get the little one. Go get the little one. Bring it here. Hand here. Good. Hand here. All right, you ready? Katie, you ready? All right, let's go get it. Get it. Get it, Brandy. Katie, you're going to drown yourself if you don't learn how to swim. There you go. Bring it in. Bring it in. All right, stop. Good girl. Now give me the stick. Brandy, hand me the stick. Give me the stick. Get it. You want me to get it?